Hello folks, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. It's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday. And this week it's going to be me fixing it. Carolyn's up there right now up potting her flowers. We finally got done the tomato plants, up potting them. And I'm getting ready to go back out as soon as I throw this in the oven. I'd been looking for a quick, easy meal. And you can't get much more easier or quicker than this here. What you're going to need is some bone-in chicken thighs, a half a cup of soy sauce, and 1 cup of brown sugar. Or you can, from what the recipe, I'll have the recipe as it is in the description. It says you could, instead of the brown sugar, use 1 cup of apricot or peach preserves. And instead of the low sodium soy sauce, you can use 1 packet of dry onion soup mix. Today we went ahead and went with the soy sauce and brown sugar. And all you're going to need is a baking dish. If you want to, you can line that baking dish with foil. I just went ahead, we'll put it in like this here. You're going to preheat the oven to 375. Then we're going to let it cook for about an hour. Can't get much easier than that. And then got some taters on over there. We'll have some mashed taters. Easy meal going to be, folks. Hopefully good too. We've never tried this before. It's church chicken is what the recipe is called. Now we've never tried it, but it sounded good. So what we're going to do, you layer your chicken thighs here, single layer. You don't want them overlapping a whole lot. And then we're going to pour in our soy sauce on top. And then we're going to sprinkle the brown sugar on top of there. And then we're going to put it in the oven. Just don't touch it then. Let it bake for an hour. And then we're good to go. Well, check your temperature. We don't want to make nobody sick. But we'll definitely have the recipe in the description. Alrighty. Let's take our soy sauce. It says just pour that around on top of your chicken. Now it said there about the thighs worked a lot better, but they didn't dry out or anything. Alrighty. Now we'll just take our brown sugar, put it around on the top of the chicken. We'll hit all of them a little bit there, and then we'll just come back around. Make sure they're all covered. I hope it's good. Can't ask for nothing no more quicker or easier than this here. And it just so happened the chicken thighs happen to be on sale this week. So that's always a bonus. Alrighty, I think we got them all pretty well covered there. Now, let me wash my hands a second. Hope everybody's doing good. It's been busy around here. Me and Dan had to take turns again in the greenhouse there again last night. It was 33 this morning. I hope it didn't bite our corn out here too. Got that chair out of the way. Hope it didn't bite our corn out here too bad. We'll check on it and see. That's it now, folks. We're going to take this and we'll set this in the oven, like I said, for an hour, and we'll check the temperature. And we'll show you the finished product. And then we'll do a taste test. We'll see you in just a little bit. Alrighty, here it is. This is after an hour. Temperature's good on them. We'll get them plated up and give them a try. Looks pretty. Let's hope it tastes pretty. Alrighty, folks, here it is. Plated up. It's simple supper. Mashed taters and chicken. We'll get them in here in just a minute there. Carolyn's washing her hands up from up there, up potting the flowers. Be right back. Alrighty, let everybody give it a try here. May not be good. Don't know. We'll see.
Go ahead, Dan.
Is it too sweet?
Good.
It said that soy sauce and the sugar would balance out. I don't know.
Delicious.
We'll see.
Delicious.
We was going to cut a piece there. It didn't work out. Pretty good, folks. Like I said, I'll have the recipe in the description. Yeah, I ain't tried the chicken yet. All I had was some skin.
Chicken's really good.
Really good.
Alrighty, folks. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe. Lord willing, be seeing you soon. Thank you again for watching.
Homeland's homestead in the springtime. Morning sun breaking through the trees, fresh cut grass and a cool spring breeze. Baby goats bouncing full of life, little hooves dancing in the morning light. Garden rows lined up straight and true, hands in the dirt, got work to do. Seeds in the ground, faith in the rain, watching everything come up again. It's springtime on Homeland's homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Homeland's homestead. Mama goats calling, babies run, chickens scratching in the sun, windmills spinning nice and slow, thankful for this life we grow. Every sunset paints the sky, seasons change but so do I. Right here's where we're meant to be, living slow and living free. It's springtime on Homeland's homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Homeland's homestead. So we'll keep on growing day by day, sharing this life the country way, from our home out here instead. Thank you for watching from Homeland's home.